family. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of the little blue bird. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little bluebird named Bella. Bella had the bluest feathers you'd ever seen, and she loved to sing songs in the morning to wake up all her forest friends. One sunny day, Bella decided to explore beyond the forest where she lived. She fluttered her wings and flew higher and higher until she could see the vast expanse of the world below her. She saw mountains, rivers, and even the sparkling blue ocean in the distance. As Bella flew, she noticed something shining on the ground below. Curious, she descended and found a small, golden locket nestled among the flowers. Inside the locket, there was a tiny picture of a family of birds smiling happily. Bella knew she had to find the owner of the locket. She flew from tree to tree, asking all the animals if they knew who it belonged to. Finally, she met a wise old owl who recognized the family in the locket. They were a family of bluebirds who lived on the other side of the forest. With the help of the owl's directions, Bella flew as fast as she could to reunite the locket with its owners. When she arrived, she found the family of bluebirds anxiously searching for their lost treasure. They were overjoyed to see Bella and thanked her for her kindness. The little bluebird had made new friends and learned that even the smallest acts of kindness could bring great joy to others. From that day on, Bella continued to explore the world, spreading happiness wherever she went. And so, the little bluebird's adventures continued, filling the forest with her beautiful songs and warm heart. Thank you all so much for listening to my story, friends. I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Until the next story, take care of yourselves. Goodbye. See you later.